All right, iFocus Journal, August 9th, 12:37 p.m., Friday. A little later than yesterday, and definitely much later than I like. However, dude, this fucking. Let me turn the tunes down. You hear that classical music? I don't know. Putting out content is a full-time job. So, like, even though it was all distributed from one primary video, it took a while. And, like, obviously, I knew that going into it, and I have to work out the kinks. But, like, I think I posted the last short form video at like 8:22 p.m. So, what I'm thinking is I didn't get to the. No, I was doing all different stuff throughout the day, but I didn't get to cold outreach DMs. So, I think the best bet is put that before the journal. Mindless activity. Don't even have to do answers yet. Just do the outreach portion. Timed it. Hour time block. I got 15 of them in, and this is with like also like coming up with an idea and an angle and a template and do some research. So I'm sure that will get quicker too. So I wasn't able to do it yesterday, but had a schedule still for the week if I could do 15 or more a day. So maybe make, and I think in the video I said 10, I meant 11. That was going to take me to 99, but that doesn't matter. So I'll see what that total is. I'll still say try to get 5. Get 5 people to become affiliate partners before next Sunday. I guess what, August 18th. All right. Then in terms of, so now I get that out of the way. Boom, done. Then I go into the journal, make the video, and then disperse my short form and stuff throughout the day. So it was rough and rusty and creaky, but like it got through, and I think it's going to be very very beneficial because I was able to post a YouTube video, take the transcripts, turn that into a blog article with the video embedded in it. Eventually I'll turn that into a newsletter, or we'll see, I don't know. Then put the YouTube video into Opus Clip, and it spit out 16 short form clips. So, I mean, that's plenty, and they're all obviously all not great. So I need to figure out a way to like audit them or like organize them, and then how many is appropriate to schedule throughout the day. I didn't know how many I wanted to do, or put too many or too little. I'm just obviously testing everything out here. But I think like 5 good ones scheduled throughout the day. That's another reason I want to make the video earlier. The earlier, then my next experiment is to race and then get this entire block of deep work stuff done as quick as possible. And I'm building the system now, so it's taking a little bit. But after I, dude, I did it for one day. I'm fucking so hard on myself sometimes. But like I just, I want to get shit done. So then, and I want to tune the engine. So I'll go through and see where I can make cuts. I'll make a streamlined process, get the time down today, tomorrow, and then see, what we can cut. And then on Sundays, I'll start this Sunday, won't give me that much data, but more so next Sunday, I'll do just a Sunday scoreboard, social media scoreboard, and only dive into the social media metrics and content metrics. See what works, see what doesn't, and then we'll see. We'll try to double down on if there's enough data for it. Like I said, I'm going to be running. I don't mean running too many experiments, but like I can be running an experiment in each engine, at a time. Leads, sales, first value, onboarding. Anyway, okay. So, got the YouTube up, turned into a blog article. put the YouTube video into Opus Clip, turn it into multiple short form. Oh, and by the way, on Opus Clip, I'm trying this out too. We'll see how it works. Adding AI B-roll to it, which was pretty cool. So it's not just like my fucking head talking. But this is my next iteration, because my last one was doing like screen records and going through the software, which I'll do, but they are not ideal to put into Opus Clip. They look like ass. So I'll do these journals. They help me out. They help me run my experiments, and it's good, repeatable content for the content engine. Okay. So next, took the video/audio, uploaded it as a podcast. iFocus Journal, daily podcast, just another form of content, because the content will expand, as we go as well. And I'm just testing it, like I said. So then I took the blog article and made like an edited long form post on Twitter, and like I don't know, I didn't really love it, and like I haven't been too active on there, so I can't be too hard on it, but didn't really do great, and like I didn't really love it. It wasn't like as authentic, so there's something there, but I'll have to tweak that a bit, and then maybe I'll just break it down, because another thing I wrote is I want to maybe just break that down into multiple posts. I scheduled a couple dingy ones out for the mornings for this week, but only one a day. So there's room for a few more, and I don't want to spam. I want to give high value. So that's on our list of tweaking as well. Okay. Cool. And that was the last thing, that even though I have the scheduler on iFocusHQ at the moment, I tried both. I tried putting it through iFocusHQ, and it came up with 0 views on TikTok. And then I added to my OneDrive and uploaded from my phone on the TikTok app, and it got more views. Not a lot, like a couple hundred, not a lot at all, but more than 0, obviously. So maybe I'm going to try to upload natively for now. Also have no followers and no views. Like, it's starting from scratch. So maybe I'll post natively, which is annoying and manual, but I'm going to do it all manual and then automate and outsource this system and then replicate it. But I got to do it all by hand first, obviously, but do it all natively, and like maybe add some text and captions and stuff, so like it feels like it's coming from the app, to give it a better boost in the beginning, potentially. Just a guess, hypothesis. So that's pretty much it. Moved the DMs to the morning. I like that a lot. I timed it, 1 hour block with headphones in, music in, that the music stops after an hour, and I document how many I tick off, and I'm like trying to make them pretty personal too. Open dialogue with Level Up Larry, aka an intermediate entrepreneur, someone who potentially has Misfit Mav as their audience. Opening a dialogue in hopes of eventually bringing them on as an affiliate partner, an associate, an iFocus associate. Then we hit the journal. I'll do this, and then I'll keep moving this up earlier and faster. I was doing a couple other things this morning and trying different times, but I'm thinking the earlier the better. I mean, I'm talking like if I can get this video up at like 8 a.m. I don't know if that's pushing it, like 9, 10. And then the rest of the day is scheduled out from there, like noon, mid-afternoon, and evening. And then after everything's scheduled out, close out the day with, following up with DMs, engagement, email, support, etc., stuff like that, being the community. but we'll add one piece at a time. So we'll continue time in the DMs, and then we'll tweak the content engine today, see if I can get it out. My time to beat from yesterday was 8:22 p.m. Right now it's 12:47, so we'll see if we can beat it.